a revolutionary.
To be black in America
By any means necessary.
and to be relatively conscious
Revolution will not be televised.
is to be in a rage almost all the time.
Good morning.
Hi.
Hi. How can I help you?
Well, I was checking out the artifacts from Liberia here,
Ah.
and they tell me that you're the expert.
Well, they could say that.
Well, they're beautiful. I just wanted to know if you could tell me about this one.
Yes, I can. Yes, this is the Boss of People.
Nice.
Modern day Freetown, Liberia. 19th century.
Interesting. Thank you.
Sure.
And, can you tell me about this one here?
Certainly. This is of the Pele people. 16th century.
Pele like the jacket. That's funny. Nice. Huh. Now, this piece here. Can you tell me about this?
Yes. This is also Pele. 17th century. Or was it Crew?
Nope.
I'm sorry, I beg your pardon.
I mean, it was taken by British soldiers in present-day Liberia, but it originates from Wakanda, and it's made out of vibranium. But don't worry, I'm gonna get it off your hands for you.
I'm afraid these items aren't for sale.
And how do you think your ancestors got it? You think they paid a fair price? Or did they take it like they take everything else?
Ma'am, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to ask you to
Security
leave.
watching me since I walk in here, right? But you're not paying attention to what you're putting in your body.
All right, it's time for you to go.
I'm sorry, I don't think she's feeling too well. Something's wrong with her. Just call for help.
I need medics at the West African exhibit immediately. Are you all right?